I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that actually break connections. Set device time, date, and time zone correctly. TLS will fail if they differ. Next, make sure the Warp app is updated. Updates often fix handshake bugs. Once done, restart your device and your router to clear transient network issues and clear the app cache. These steps remove most simple causes so you can move on to deeper checks without wasting time on things that already fix it. You now isolate whether the problem is your network or the app. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If one works, the other has a blocking rule. Disable custom DNS or split tunneling in Warp because they can conflict with route setup. Make sure any firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Warp. Add an allow rule and allow necessary system network permissions. Once these settings are aligned, attempt to reconnect. If the app still fails, proceed to the diagnostic logs and advanced resets. You finish with advanced repairs that resolve persistent failures. Flush DNS and renew the IP lease. This clears stale records that block tunnels. If that doesn't work, uninstall Warp, reboot the device, then reinstall. This replaces corrupted binaries or permissions. Before you contact support, enable debug mode and collect logs so you can show exactly where the handshake fails. One key tip: if you see repeated TLS errors, check system time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.